Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can customize your own chandelier using the drop-down options on the website. I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out how I could list all of the options that you could choose from to make a custom light fixture. So if we look at this image over here, you'll notice that you have an image here of the light fixture itself. If you scroll in the bottom below, you can see images of a different angle, a breakdown of all the components, the mounting, the base, the cord grip, the cord, the socket, and the bulb. This is the mounting option diagram. These are your base color options, and these are your socket options. If we go back to the first picture and we want to take a larger look at it, we just scroll over it and we can see a much larger image of that fixture, and you can toggle to the right or click through onto the right to see a larger image of these photographs. So we're just going to X out of that for now, and we're going to go to this area right here. This is just a representation of what the fixture is comprised of, and just to go over it really quickly, we'll need to know how you're going to mount it, whether it's going to be suspended or flush to the ceiling. You'll have an option to select the base finish. The cord grips are little plastic or metal components that go either on the top of the socket or at the bottom of the base. And then we're going to need to know the type of cord that you'd like, the finish of the socket, and the type of bulb. So these are the main features that we're going to be focusing on right now. And we're going to go back to this image here, and we'll just do a shot of this image as well. Once you've selected the type of mounting, let's say this is going to be suspended from the ceiling, we're going to pick the base color of this, and we're just going to go like for like. There's a description of what is shown above here. This is a black plastic cord grip with black twisted cord, black nickel sockets, and the base is a antique white finish. Okay, so now let's go to this. If we wanted to select this base color here, it's going to be antique white. That matches that. These cord grips, the ones on the top and the bottom here, those are black plastic. This cord is a black twist, so we'll go down to cord and we'll select black twist. And now we'll look at the socket. That's a black nickel socket. We're going to select black nickel, and then these bulbs are the incandescent Edison mix. So now we have a mirror image of what is shown here in this window. If this configuration was to your satisfaction, you could click buy now and it would take you to another window and you could order this fixture like this. Let's say that you wanted to change out these sockets, but you like everything else about it. You would just come in here and you would say, let's just say that you want a white socket. Then you just select a white socket, but let's just say that after you've picked a white socket, maybe you don't like the way that the black cord grips look. So we're going to go to cord grip, and in the drop-down menu, we're going to go with white plastic. Now you've completely changed the look of the fixture. You have so many options that are available to you, and all you need to do is just click buy now and it's going to go to another window. But all of these options here will tell us how to make this fixture for you. Now what we can do too is talk about the differences with the options that add to the cost. For the cord grips here, if you'll notice, the black plastic, the white plastic, and the clear plastic are all included in the same price. If you were to upgrade it to a raw brass, then the price changes here and here. If you wanted the socket to match and for that to be raw brass, there's no additional cost to that because these are metal sockets. But because the cord grips are plastic in the original image, then the only upcharge would be to have a metal finish here, and those just cost us more. So the cord on this one, there is no additional cost there. And if you were to upgrade these bulbs to an LED mix, then that would change as well. The primary difference between the incandescents and the LED bulbs are that These incandescent bulbs are rated between 2,500 and 3,000 hours per the manufacturer. They come in different shapes and sizes. The filaments, which is the part that glows inside, are different depending on the bulb. The glass is clear and amber as well. And the LED bulbs offer the same variety of glass in clear and amber, different wattages, different size bulbs, and so forth. The filament is a little bit different. You still get some spirals and some loops and some decorative filaments. These bulbs are rated between 15,000 and up to 30,000 hours per the manufacturer. They don't consume as much electricity and they're cool to the touch. So these LED bulbs are a great option. Also, both types of bulbs are compatible with dimmers. They're both dimmable. So I think that's it, guys. I've covered how you can select from the different options on the drop-down menu to customize your own chandelier. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to send me an email. It's info@industriallightworks.com. If you want to talk to somebody and you need help with the design, there's a phone number listed on the website. You can reach out and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.